welcome back. So today we're going to be doing another vinyl wrap design. I took a poll, I think maybe 2 videos ago, asking you guys if you wanted to see more vinyl wrap designs or if you wanted more glitter type designs. And you guys said vinyl. We're going to be using some vinyl from Glamour Tribe Vinyl. Look at this. Is it not absolutely gorgeous? And we're also going to be doing another way you can camouflage those seams, because the Lord knows, y'all know I don't do seams around here. And look at these floral elements. These will also be helping us hide that seam. It's not really hiding, really. It's more like camouflaging with this design. It's like if you look for it real hard, like if you're looking at like a little camouflage bug or whatever, if you look for it, you can see it, but it's easy to pass right over it. You know what I'm saying? And surprise, surprise, if you're in my mentorship group, you know, you're probably like, girl, you actually know what you're doing? Yes, I do. Normally I'm flying by the seat of my pants. Woo! All right, guys, I've got my vinyl, I've got my element sheets. Ooh, and I've also got this, you can't even see it, but can you actually, it's like white script vinyl. This is also from Glamour Tribe Vinyl. I'll have everything that I'm using in today's video in the description box down below, along with some coupon codes, so definitely go check that out and save those coins. And now, without further ado, let's do it.
Okay fam, I started by sanding my tumbler and wiping it down with 91% alcohol, then I was ready to apply my vinyl. Now, you can measure like you probably should, or you can be lazy like me and use your tumbler and mark your vinyl where you would like to cut it. When you're finished, wrap your tumbler and do your best to keep that starting edge nice and straight. To clean up the edges of my vinyl, I use my Wicked Shimmer Cup edging tool to trim my vinyl along the bottom and my X-Acto knife to trim any excess along the top. Now we are ready to seal our vinyl with our first coat of epoxy. We'll be adding some gold foil flakes on our next step, and so to make it so the seam doesn't show through the foils, we're going to be epoxying it first to make our tumbler nice and smooth. Now that our tumbler is smooth, we are ready to start camouflaging the seam. I like to use elements that are already on the vinyl itself to camouflage my seams, and the gold copper colors on the vinyl are perfect. I'm going to cover some of the gold parts of the vinyl with the foils and also add some along the seam to start covering it. I'll first be applying Southern Belle Glitter's foil glue, drying it so it's nice and tacky, then adding those gold foils. I'll be using my palette knife to apply the glue, but you can also use a paintbrush. When you're all finished adding your foils where you want them, you're ready for your next coat of epoxy, along with a touch of mica flakes. As I said earlier, we're going to be adding some mica flakes on this layer. Glamour Tribe Vinyl has now started selling mica flakes, and Pixie was the perfect color for this background. I'm just going to be taking my spoon and sprinkling it down on the tumbler, not all over, just in spots. You can add as much or as little as you like. Have fun with it, but just add something, okay? Do it. If you noticed, I used some of those mica flakes and dropped them along the seam to help camouflage it, and I thought I was all done with this step, but as I was looking at it, I was getting some galaxy / night sky / space vibes. So I grabbed Celestial and sprinkled it on the tumbler just to give the illusion of stars. If you don't have Celestial, it is an OG glitter that I curated a couple of years ago. Any silvery, purpley, opal, fine, mixed fine glitter will work. Let your tumbler cure, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Now we are ready to add some white script just to give some interest and to also help camouflage that seam, and add our florals that are actually also giving me galaxy vibes. When you're done, add a decal or leave it plain. It's totally up to you. I did end up adding a quote. It's "Be like a flower, survive the rain, but use it to grow." It's in my Etsy shop if you would like to use it. I also added some sparkle on one of my final coats. I sprinkled it down on top of the flowers, right in the middle of them to bring out the galaxy lookingness of them. You can totally skip this step though. I'm really playing on the galaxy theme that I can now not see on this tumbler, and will now probably name this design Galaxy Florals. I mean, y'all see it, right? Let me know in the comments that I'm not going crazy. For the bottom, I used leftover vinyl and florals from the tumbler, my signature, and some foils and sparkle. I pretty much did the same thing on the bottom that I did on the tumbler itself. That's it, guys! I love how this tumbler turned out, and that seam is nice and camouflaged and is no longer screaming seam. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. You all are the real MVPs. I could not continue to do what I do without you. Have fun making your vinyl tumblers and experimenting with camouflaging those seams, and I'll see you again next time.